Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to move data from your old phone to your Redmi Note 15 Pro. So here on the right we have Redmi Note 15 Pro. On the left side we have Google Pixel 8, if not mistaken, but the device on the left doesn't really matter, it can be any device. What we're gonna have to do is use the Mi Mover application on our Redmi Note 15 Pro. In System Apps we can find this application, open it, agree to permissions, and on our Google smartphone, let's download this application at first. So let's open the Google Play Store, not books, but apps. And let's find the Mi Mover app. Install the official app by Xiaomi and wait until it's downloaded. Once it is, you're gonna have to open it. Then agree once again, then select Alt on your old device, agree to give it permission to use your location while using the app, your call logs, your contacts, everything you want to transfer, give it a permission to it. Then allow it to display over other applications. In order to do this, you're gonna have to find your Mi Mover application on this list. Here it is, and allow it displaying over other applications. Then let's select Alt. Let's give it some other permission. And some other permissions. Well, I guess it's the problem of compatibility between devices. I don't think it would actually require this much permissions if we would do that on if the old device was also Xiaomi. But basically, yeah, we're gonna have to give it permissions and then other permissions. Now on our Redmi Note 15 Pro device, select New. Then select your old device model. So in case it's Xiaomi device, select Xiaomi. In case it's an Android device but not Xiaomi, go with Android. In case it's iPhone, select Apple. So let's select Android, and once again let's give this application all the permissions, and after that let's scan the QR code using our Google Pixel. Select connect to the device manually. Oh no, wait. Tap installed. Never mind. Just tap installed, and then let your device let your old device find your new Redmi. Okay, and once it finds it, select it. Then tap connect. Wait until your devices are connected to each other. Then select the data that you want to transfer. Let's say I want to transfer images and messages. Then tap next to confirm. Okay. Just read the important information, agree to it, tap send, and then wait until all the data is transferred from the old device to the new one. Okay, and once the transfer is finished, you can view the report on your Redmi, but basically just tap done, and now all the data that I selected was transferred to my Redmi device. So as you can see, we got plenty new photos in here. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.